Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to change the mouse pointer color here in Windows 11. It's really quite simple to do, so let's dive right into it. So head on down to your Start menu here at the bottom, and we're going to right click on it, not left click, but right click. And you'll get a little menu that pops up, and we're looking for the settings option here. You can go ahead and select that. Now in our settings over on the left hand side, we are looking for the accessibility option here. If you go ahead and select that, it'll bring up some more options. Under accessibility, if you scroll down to the bottom, we are looking for the interaction section, and you should see mouse down here where it says mouse keys, speed, acceleration. You can select that. Then again, in this next menu at the bottom here under related settings, you should see mouse pointer. So mouse pointer color and size. You can go ahead and load that up. Now I've turned off my mouse highlight here so you can see it a little bit better. So we've got the white option. You've got the black option, which turns it black. This one's interesting. It's the inverted option. So when you're over a white area, it turns black. And when you're over a black area, it turns white. And then of course, we've got the custom option here. So if you select that, you can select from multiple colors. So there's all sorts of colors you can select from. And if you would like to pick a custom color, you can do that as well. There's a little plus sign here. So choose another color. And you can go through the whole rainbow of colors and pick whatever you like. There's even a more option here if you want to put in the exact color code as well. So pick whatever you like there and then just hit done and it should switch over to that. Now the other cool thing in this area, if you want, you can actually adjust the size of your pointer as well. So you can see that that expands out. If you want a really big pointer or a small one, you can do that here as well. And really it's that simple to change the mouse pointer color here in Windows 11. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.